Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit your Catizen allocation to Bitget Exchange. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the Catizen Airdrop campaign. I want to deposit your Catizen allocation to Bitget Exchange. So for you to start, what you just need to do is to open your Catizen game board and you click on Airdrop. So you click on Airdrop, you are going to see your Catizen allocation. What you just need to do now is to click on deposit to exchange. So after clicking on deposit to exchange, what you just need to do now is to click on Bitget Exchange and you click on continue. Now what you just need to do is to add your deposit address, UID to receive Catizen. So now what you just need to do now is to open your Bitget Exchange account and you copy your UID. So as I copy your UID, make sure to paste it here. After pasting it, now what you just need to do is to copy your Catizen deposit address. Alright, so just click on add funds. You click on deposit crypto. Now what you just need to do is to look for Catizen. Now you click on Catizen. Now what you need to do is to copy the address. Alright, copy the address and you minimize here and you paste it. Now what you don't need to do is to click on send. Make sure to cross check it. If you are good to go, you click on confirm. But if you don't want to use it again, you just click on change, something like that. So you are going to see confirm successfully. This amount of Cati will be deposited to your Bitget account automatically before September 20th, 2024 at 10 a.m. UTC. So that is the listing day. So for those of you that want to send to centralized exchange like Binance, Bybit and Bitget, the deadline for this is 18th of September 2024 at 8 a.m. UTC. So please make sure to do this as quick as possible. So guys, this is how to send your Catizen allocation to Bitget Exchange for those of you that want to use Bitget. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.